Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix blurry photos, stories, or reels on Instagram. Instagram stories video might be of poor quality for a variety of reasons, including internet connection and app version. Whatever the cause, the issue of poor quality Instagram story videos can be easily fixed. Follow the steps and say no to blurred Instagram video stories. First, go to your profile and click the hamburger icon. Scroll down and look for Settings. Under Settings, look for Account. Scroll down and look for Cellular Data Use. Click this, and as you can see, we have here Data Saver. Always make sure that this one is turned off. Do not toggle it on, because if you toggle it on, then there's a possibility that the videos and pictures that you are viewing or watching are always in poor quality. Now, if you can see here under media upload quality, upload at highest quality, this one, you should toggle it on so that you can expect that there is a high resolution for any videos or photos that you're about to upload or view. Now go back and let's do the second method or step. Go to Google web browser and type internet speed test and then click this one. Now it's very important to know the performance of your internet because this is one of the reasons why the videos and the pictures that you upload or download or view are always in poor quality. It's because of the performance of your internet. So always make sure that your internet connection is strong, and in that way, it will give you an assurance that most of your videos or pictures are always in good or high quality. You can always have a high quality video or photos when your internet is good and your device is reliable. Now, if you're receiving a poor result on your speed test, then I am so sorry to say that this has a big impact and factor of why you are viewing a blur, photos, stories, or reels on Instagram. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.